Gen Z and millennial, this house prefers working as content creator rather than normal office worker. So why I as a Gen Z and millennial doesn't prefer working as a content creator rather than an office worker? I have a couple of arguments supporting my point. But first, I'm going to debunk some of the things that the affirmation team has said. The affirmation team said that working as a content creator is a more stable job, but I do not believe that working as content creator is more stable. I believe working as a normal office worker is more stable because you know that you're going to get money. You're going to be paid monthly, and even if you're going to be laid off, you usually get like a week, like you they would usually tell you like a week before, and you will get some notice. And for and but being a content creator, maybe one day your content rises and you got a lot of sponsorship and stuff, but the next day your content can flop and those sponsors and those clients can suddenly go away. For the next day set being content creator have bigger opportunities. I do not believe being a content creator have bigger opportunities. Instead, I do believe content creator has more competitors. It has more competitors due to a lot more people being content creators, and there's a lot of other people who have more followings, bigger who have bigger channels and bigger community where they can find their jobs. So I'm going to be going into my arguments. I have three arguments. My first argument: working as an office worker has a more stable income. As an office worker, you know that you can eat tomorrow. You know that you will be paid monthly. Even if you're going to be laid off, like I said before, you will usually get like a few weeks notice and stuff like that. So you can get your stuff together and find another job within the time that you are going to be fired or laid off. But being a content creator, like I said, maybe you have a video that suddenly pop off, and you get a lot of clients, you get a lot of sponsorships on those video. But your next video was a flop, and another one was a flop and a flop, and your following suddenly start going away, and your client and sponsorship will also start going away. And creating a following took a long time. There's a lot of big content creators such as Mr. Beast and stuff like that that says that when they first started their content creator journey, they were 15, they were 17, they were really young and just doing them for fun, getting like $5, $2, and just little changes for making a video. They started them for fun. But if we want to start this as our career, maybe starting at 20 and stuff, imagine being at 20, maybe not having money, living on yourself, and relying on maybe getting $5 per video, $2 per video from being a content creator, and not even getting sponsors and stuff like that due to us not big enough following, and due to the unstableness of being a content creator. Again, I believe as a Gen Z and millennial, I prefer working as an office worker. For my next argument, working as a content creator leads us to overwork ourselves and have burnouts because we are our own boss, and we usually tend to overwork ourselves. Being Gen Z and millennial, being young, around the age of about 15 to 30ish, we don't know our limit. We tend to overwork ourselves. We tend to push ourselves to work and have burnouts. Uh, with being our own boss, we doesn't know when to stop. But with working office works, we have consistent time where we need to come into the job, work work at the office, work during the time that we need to work, and go home and take a rest. Maybe maybe we usually have day offs like Sundays and stuff where we can take a break. But being a content creator, you don't have breaks. You need to make content. You need to edit them, and you need to plan for, oh, what content I should need. And a lot of content platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you need to post consistently to get money. You need to post consistently to create a following and to create a community, which what y- which is what you need to get clients and sponsorships. And with this, you can lead to overworking yourself, leading to burnouts, and leading to worse content overall due to bad mental health, bad mood, and being stressed, depressed, and other things like that. For what is supporting my arguments, maybe you said, oh, maybe that's only you, maybe that only applies for a couple of people. We can be content creators, but no. For my example, I can take a popular a popular content creator named Jaden Animation, which made a video about how she works herself until burnouts, about how she overworks herself. She have a bad sleeping schedule. She sleeps at 2 and wake up at 5 to create more content. And when she was having fun, she would think that she should work, 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 and work. And that is bad for her mental health, and she's taking a break. And she's now posting slower and stuff like that. This is the and with this, I again, as a Gen Z millennial, prefers to work and at a more reliable office work. My last argument: more anxiety. Working as a content creator have more anxiety. As Gen Z millennial, we have a lot of pressure from our parents, from the world to be the best because we are at the prime of our life. We are at the working stage of our life, and being a content creator have a lot of stress. First, numbers. Being a content creator, we can see numbers. We see our following rise and our followings go down. We see maybe one day our likes is maybe one day you post a video and the likes reach to 1,000, but the next video your likes drops down to maybe like 30, 100 and stuff, and you suddenly feel like, ah, maybe people do not like my content. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Or maybe some people just leading up to forcing themselves to work, or maybe some people spiral into depression thinking that, I cannot do this anymore, I should stop. And they will ending up making a worse content overall, making something just for the sake of, I just post this, or due to the consistency that you need to be a content creator, like on TikTok and stuff, you need to have scheduled. You need to post consistently. You need to post like 2-3 times a week, and that schedule can lead to anxiety, and from that anxiety, it can lead you to make crappy videos to just post as a filler, and that would lead to your content creator job being bad and not nice. And also, with being chronically online as a content creator, you usually compare yourself to other content creators. Say you are a artist and you post your art, and you're scrolling on TikTok and you see other artists that have maybe better art, more followings, more likes, and you suddenly think like, they are better than me. I'm not good, and that takes a toll on your mental health, and that will make you make worse content. So again, as a millennial and Gen Z, being young and being at the prime of our life, and with all of this being having worse mental health, anxiety, and stuff like that from being a content creator, this is why I, as a Gen Z and millennial, prefers working at a normal office work.